morning everyone. I welcome you all in science class students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 7. The next topic is sedimentary rocks. So, in previous video lecture we have discussed about igneous rocks, right? The igneous rocks from the solidification of magma either inside the surface of the inside the earth layer or outside the surface of the earth layer, right? Now my question is, all kind of rocks are formed from solidification of magma? No. The answer is no. Not all type of rocks from igneous rock, or you can say solidification of magma. Some rocks also formed from the sediments, right? Now what are sediments? Let's discuss. I explain you with the help of one example. Let us suppose I have a glass of water and I add some mud. So if I leave this glass of water for a while, you will observe that some mud particles will settle down at the bottom. So the mud particles which get settled down at the bottom are called sediment. These are called sediment. So basically sedimentary rocks are formed from this process called sediment, means from these sediments. What happens when a river flows? It carries along itself a pieces of broken rocks, pebbles, right? Whenever a river flow, it carries lots of substances, lots of load with it, like broken rocks, pebbles, gravels, stones, right? When it reaches the lake or the sea, the substance it carries, like pebbles, clay, stone, gravel, it settle down at the bottom of the sea and form a layer, right, at the bottom. This is called sediments. I'll explain you by showing one example. Let us suppose this one is the river and this one is the bottom. So whenever a river flows, it carries lots of mud particles, pebbles, clay. So these pebbles, all these settle down at the bottom of oceanic beds, right? And it forms a layer, and it's an ongoing process, and this layer start forming one onto another. So number of layers formed, right? These number of layers exert pressure on each other, right? And also it contains so many minerals. So the minerals that it contains means that layers have. These minerals glue up each layer, right? And it pushes out the water, right? Layers start forming and it pushes out the water and form into a sedimentary rocks. So when the layer formed, this process is called compaction, and when this layer glue up by the minerals, this is called cementation. Right? So we have different type of sedimentary rocks like sandstone, conglomerate, shale, limestone. So let's discuss about them. So very first one is sandstone. Sandstone is common sedimentary rocks, and it is formed from the particles of sand, and these particles get cemented together. So the main mineral that it contains is quartz grain, right? So sandstone can be found in yellow, brown, red or pink color. Here you can see the picture of sandstone. This one is sandstone. D-Redford is also made up of sandstone, right? Next one is conglomerate. Conglomerate is also a rock. and it is formed from pebbles and gravels that are cemented together by minerals and sand carried by water. And the color of these conglomerate rock is in the shade of gray and orange, and basically it is used in ornamental, means jewelries, means the jewelry which contain rocks, right, and for polishing ornaments. And this conglomerate is also used to polish the jewelry's ornaments, right. Next one is shale. Shale is made up of clay and mud particles, right. Shale is made up of the particles of clay and mud, and these particles get layered up, right, and these shale also used to make tiles and bricks. Limestone. Limestone is made up of a mineral called lime, right, and which also called calcite, and it is one of the part of animal shell, and it is of gray and white color. Chalk is also from limestone, and limestone also used to make bricks, glass, and it also used to separate pure metals from their ores. Ores means basically impurities, when the metal contain impurities. So to remove the impurities, limestone also used. Scientists can find out life on earth by studying sedimentary rocks. Means mostly the scientists which found that life already exists on the earth because of the study of sedimentary rocks. They found some traces of ancient plants, means the plants that are buried in the earth layer, and the animal life called fossils. And these fossils can be a shell of shells, bones of animal, prints of leaves, and footprints. I hope you have understood all the parts of all the kinds of sedimentary rocks and what are sedimentary rocks. So that's it for today now. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.